I feel secure when I'm in the house and when I'm not in the house, which is kind of the magic of it all.
When my husband is on the road, that is one of the biggest reasons that we got the alarm system. It has given my family the safety that we were looking for.
The Sting alarm system was recommended very highly by some friends who we trust very much.
My name is John Perry. I'm the president and one of the founders of Sting Alarm here in Las Vegas. Clint and Kelly reached out to us, so they were really concerned about the perimeter of their home. To reinforce that, what we did is we installed a few cameras on the outside of their home, and they wanted to know when someone was at their door. So for that, we installed the new Alarm.com touchless doorbell.
Well, it's great having the video doorbell. People don't have to stand there and ring the doorbell. Obviously, someone who had ill intent wouldn't press the doorbell, but we hear it anyway.
Sting Alarm stood out to us because they were very detailed when they were setting up the system in our home. The young man who came and set it up explained to us along the way what he was doing, and then trained us on the keypad and the app, which was really easy.
We also installed the latest, greatest touchscreen panel, and it's all running on the Alarm.com platform, all integrated into one awesome app.
I could be at the grocery store and I'll get an alert on my phone and I'll be able to see that a package was delivered. I can make sure the package is there when I get home.
When I'm on the road performing, it's wonderful to know that I am in instant touch with everything that's going on back at home. It gives us peace of mind in a way that we've never had before. What really stands out about this system to me is that it works on every level that I need it to work on. It works when we're home, it works when I'm away, and it works easily, which is important to me. The advice I would give to anybody who's looking for a smart alarm system for their home is to investigate Sting. It's just worked out in every way perfectly for us.